Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to execute the terminal and shell commands inside a Python graphical user interface kind of an application. So graphical user kind of application is that application where you can actually see some widgets on the screen. Let me show you a very simple example. So we have this application right here which I built using PyAutoGUI. This is a free open source library. So the interface will look something like this. It will ask you to enter any sort of command here inside the input field. So here through the keyboard you can actually write the name of the command, and then there are two buttons out there. Either you can click OK or cancel. So this is a very easy kind of an interface through which you can execute commands. So let's suppose you can execute any sort of command here. So let's suppose I want to print out the version of Python. So simply I type here Python dash dash version. So as I click OK here, it will actually print out the result of this command in the GUI as well. So if I just click OK here, you will see it will print out the version of Python which is Python 3.10.5. So essentially what it is doing, it is executing this command here in the background, and whatever is the result right here that you see right here, it is printing directly in the graphical user interface. So I will show you this library here which lets you do this. So first of all you just need to install this PyAutoGUI library. So this is essentially this package here. So this is just used for creating the interface of the application. So pip install PyAutoGUI. You can use any sort of framework. It's not restricted that you only use this framework, but this library makes it very much easy to create the interface. So now the thing is that just create a simple app py file and then import the necessary packages. So import operating system, and then we need to import PyAutoGUI package. After that we simply construct the input field where we will allow the user to directly type the command. So it contains this function here which is prompt, which you can execute, and here you can simply say enter shell command, and whatever the user writes it, so we simply execute this command by using this function popen of operating system and passing it the value, and then we display this, whatever is the output of the command, we display this using this stream object, and we read this and then we display this. So PyAutoGUI, and it contains this alert function, and we display this. So you can see only 10 lines of code is required for this. So we simply first of all require the necessary packages, then we construct the input field by using the prompt function, and then we execute this command by the operating system popen method, and then we read the output here by using stream.read, and lastly we display this on the screen by using the alert method. So if I just execute this now, you will see that it will have this input field. So it constructed this interface by using very small amount of code here. So we have this input field, we have these two buttons. So if I, let's suppose, just write a command here, which again, let's suppose this time I want to print out the version of FFmpeg. So click on OK. So it will print out the result of this command in this alert window. So this is a very simple application. You can execute commands, terminal commands inside a GUI kind of interface and print the result as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.